Communities in Tennessee are coping with death, injuries, and massive devastation after the deadly storms this week. There were two powerful tornadoes with winds of up to 175 miles an hour. It caused widespread destruction and killed at least 24 people. At least 5 were children. A survivor in Putnam County is sharing her experience today. Shay Arthur reports.
He lives right at the beginning of, well, up here I can't get far.
Amanda Randolph walks us through the mud, through the mess, through the dozens of volunteers. Using chainsaws, cleaning up her home after a tornado chewed through the neighborhood.
I was right here. So I don't know how I got out. I don't know how I survived.
A tree narrowly missing her as she sat in this now unrecognizable smashed black Honda.
The sky, but it's like the wind, maybe rain, whatever, everything was like a gray and then a green color. And I could feel my whole car shaking, and it sounded like a freight train. It's exactly the way they say it is. It happened so fast, no warning.
Suffering a few broken ribs, tonight she's without a car, her belongings. But this brush with death put her life in perspective. Like so many of us do, Amanda had been going through a rough time.
I've come to this point in life where everything's gotten really hard lately. I'm newly divorced and got 3 kids, trying to learn how this divorce thing works.
She thought she had reached a breaking point.
I just don't know how much more I can take. It's hard. It's really hard. I mean, that day in particular, like, I would have been completely okay with just like not existing.
But in that moment, she thought her life could be over. There was clarity.
Sitting in my car that night, like, I just didn't want to die so bad.
She knew her children. Her life was worth believing in.
I'm so grateful for whatever was looking out for me, because I wouldn't be here without it.
And the impact is far-reaching. The storms knocked out power for thousands and also forced schools to shut down.